Hi friends, welcome to the Shorthand Hub channel. This is Harinaganand Idumudi, instructor of Shorthand. For all Shorthand grades, I am offering general and legal dictations. Crucial links including special list of words part 1 are provided in the description box. If you think that this dictation can help you in the competitive exams, click the like button and make your comment. For this shortened subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. Note: grammar lacks, contractions, special contractions, phrases, advanced phrases, special list of words needs to be written once every 15 days. Then only you will get a better speed in stenography. Get ready for the dictation. Ready, 1, 2, 3, start. Abundant, abundance, abundantly, superabundance, abandon, abandoned, abandoner, abandonment, tuition, tutor, tutorial, tutelage, temporal, temporary, temporarily, temporize, temper, temperate, tempered, temperance, attend, attended, attendant, attentive, attentively, attention, continue, continued, continuant, continuation, continuance, continent, continental, travel, travelled, travelling, traveller, trivial, triviality, iterate, iteration, reiteration, debtor, indebted, indebtedness, doubt, doubted, doubter, doubted, doubter, doubtful, doubtfulness, audit, auditor, audited, auditorium, edit, edited, editor, editorial, editorship, detriment, detrimental, determine, determined, determination, indeterminate, differ, deferred, differential, differentiate, indifferent, defer, deferred, deferring, difference, differential, adverse, adversity, adversely, diverse, diversity, diversify, diversification, diseased, diseased, dear, dearer, dearest, dearly, endeared, endearment, agent, agency, act, actual, actually, active, actively, acted, actor, cause, caused, casuation, casualty, access, casuation, accession, accessible, accessibility, inaccessible, excise, excised, excisable, exercise, exercised, exerciser, exercising, cultivate, cultivated, cultivation, cultivator, column, columnar, cultimate, culminate, culminated, culmination, culminative, culmination, culminator, create, created, creation, creator, creative, creature, carry, carried, carrying, carriage, credence, credential, credible, credibility, credulous, credulosity, credulity, credit, credited, creditor, discredit, accord, accorded, accordance, accordingly, guide, guider, guidance, guiding, guided, prosecute, prosecuted, prosecution, prosecutor, stop. If you like this video, please press the like button and follow our channel, that is Shorthand Hub. If you want to get more updates, subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends who are learning this shorthand course. Thank you.